Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn the tools that I use to learn the candlestick and do the analysis and how you can use it effectively to increase your prediction and your profitability in your future. So guys, I use this particular website in.investing.com. So this is one of the best website I feel is out there, where you get the candlestick for different time durations, and you get a lot of tools to analyze them. So we'll look that in few moments. So there are a lot of other sites also out there. You can use that. I won't say go with a paid one. If you are willing to go with a paid one, you can go with it. But if something is available out there for free, why not to use it? So you will be having your accounts in the brokerage. For me, let's say if I have an account in Zerodha or 5paisa, if I'm in India, so they also provide me the candlestick charting as well. However, I feel this is one of the best. So let's go to one of the charts. So I'll open Nifty 50. By default, it gives me this charting techniques. I'll go to the chart tab, which is opening for me. I'll do a full screen. Okay. So now you can see the candles here. I'll open this candles, and which give me a candlestick charting pattern, and the duration is 1 day. So you can see the duration here. We can change it to any time, to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and goes till 1 month, right? And I think this site has almost a data of 5 years, but if you go for 1 month, I think it has a historical data of 10 to 15 years, which I think is sufficient for you to analyze. Now let's talk initially about this time duration. So what time duration you should use, because this matters a lot. One of the biggest factor for your profits, your entry and exit should be perfect based on the time duration of the candlestick. So guys, if you are an intraday trader, I would recommend go for 15 minutes charts. So each candlestick represent a 15-minute duration of candle. Let's say the first candlestick, this one, is 9:15 a.m., which is a closing time of Indian market. The next gonna be of 9:30, which is of 15-minute durations. The next gonna be of 9:45, and so on and so forth, right? So this for intraday trader. I use this when I do intraday trading. I use 30 minutes as well. Once I draw the resistance and support lines, and once I do my analysis to validate that, I go for 30 minutes charting. However, I come back to 15 minutes to analyze what's the trend is there. Okay, so 30 minutes I use for validation if I have any support or resistance line, and 15 minutes is for my intraday trades. So guys, if you don't understand this term, don't worry, I'll explain you the support and resistance in the subsequent videos. 1 day chart, 1 day duration candlestick chart is also quite popular for the people who want to hold a particular stock for 2-3 days or a week. So they usually use this 1 day duration. So even it's good for analyzing the support and resistance for the next day as well. So this is also one of the popular. Next, coming to 1 week, this is for people who are trying to invest for 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months, a short term. So you can go and select this 1 week and study the candlestick pattern, how, and put the indicators. So we are going to cover the technical indicators as well, how you can use that to increase your profits in the upcoming videos as well. 1 month is for those who are going to hold this for a year or more, or maybe for 5 years or 10 years. Then for sure you want to look at 1 month candlestick patterns, right? Okay, guys, if you study this candlestick perfectly, if you understand it perfectly, then the profit ratio, the minimum profit ratio, I say that it's gonna be 1:3. For 1 lakh you're gonna get 3 lakhs, and that's not in a month. I say you can get in a couple of days. I have got that kind of profit. So I'll share all the knowledge I have with you, but don't rely on my knowledge. I would say keep digging in the net as well for additional knowledges. Try to apply it. How I apply my knowledge, I'll also say that it's one of the very helpful technique that has improved my knowledge base. Okay, so now this particular thing contains 10 years, 15-year historical data. Now let's say what I'll do is I'll go back to a year or two, any random point. Let's say I go back here to a random point, right? And these are 1 day data. So I assume the last candlestick on the screen, which is of 30th of October, is today. I'll study this, I'll study the pattern if I am getting any, and I'll try to predict what my next candlestick was formed. Alright, and once I get to that decision in my mind, I'll just slide a bit to see that if my prediction was correct or not. If it's correct, well and good. I'll also take a decision. Let's say if I was holding a particular share, I would sell it or would I hold it. I also take that decision as well. So that would improve your skills, to understand, to daily practice it. I do it, initially I did it for half an hour. Now I do it for 15 to 20 minutes, apart from making this video. Daily I do it, and once you get into this habituated of studying this, you're gonna get remarkably good in your trading, guys. So trust me, this works. Now indicators are good, but indicators are not perfect. If you want a good profit, just study this candlestick and it would work, because indicators mostly use this candlestick, but they have a lot of limitations which we'll be talking. So guys, that's all for today's videos. If you have any comments, please do post in the comment section. If you like my videos, please click the like button and subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials. Thank you guys, see you in other videos.